To start, locate and open the commode frame so that it is standing upright. Lift the bucket frame hanging from the back commode frame and secure it in place by inserting the front cross brace into the fastener located on the front commode frame. Push the buttons in and listen for them to click into place. Locate the backrest frame and insert into the proper receptacles located at the back of the commode frame. Simply depress the push pin and slide into place, listening for a secure click. Next, attach the toilet seat to the back of the frame. Place the 2 clips along the back commode frame and push down to secure the seat onto the frame. Repeat the same steps to attach the toilet seat cover. The toilet seat hooks should fit on the inside of the cover hooks. Place the bottom bucket into the frame and then place the handled bucket with the lid inside of the bottom bucket. You should be able to completely close the toilet seat and the cover. Now, adjust the commode to your desired height. Simply locate and depress the push pins on each leg to move the height up or down. Make sure the push pin locks back into place. Remove the commode lid and insert a disposable commode liner and pad. Then close the toilet seat and cover. Your commode is now ready for use. If you have any questions, please comment below or contact us at vivehealth.com.